Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 25th, 2025. We have here two regular puzzles. Look, 25. The first one is a medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This one I will solve in a minute. And this one, the samurai Sudoku, I will solve this tomorrow evening. Yes. In today's newspaper, we have also a a puzzle page. Let me show you the puzzle page. The puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars, Killer Sudoku with 2 binaries. One with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. AKA tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional for tomorrow. Oh, wait. 4 of these puzzles I will solve this evening. And for tomorrow afternoon, we have here an additional Sunday. For the Sunday, I will do 4 puzzles out of 7. In this other additional, we have 7 puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star in Dutch, they call it cipher block, and Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. So tomorrow afternoon, 4 of them I will solve. But now, yeah, the regular puzzle, medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Number 9968. 9968. Let me zoom this. Position the camera. Yes. Alright. 9968. Before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 3 stars usually has 25, but this one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 in the row below, no 7 there, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3, 3. Okay, 3 and a 5, okay. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Need a 5 here, need a 1 here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the fifth column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1. 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. Only place left for the 9, I should be there. 9, 9. 9 here. Okay, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Alright. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 3, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this first column. No 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot them. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column. No 3 in there. 3 should be there. 6, 7, 9. Okay. Then 6 and 9, 8 and 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 6 and 9. We have 6 and 9 in this big square, so no 6 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 2. 2 and the 4. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Oh, no. We have a 4 here. Let me wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Need a 9 here. Okay. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only place left is 7 should be there. 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. Oh, we already have marked these 2 boxes with a 9. How about the 2 and the 6 here? Well, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Come on. Need a 7 there. 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Thinking. 9 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this row. So this can be 6 and more. This box should be a 9. And that box should be a 6. Okay. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the mid row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box. Wait. 2 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Come on, come on. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Then 8. I need 8 here. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2, 3, 4, and look, we have 3 and a 4 in the first row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 2. 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Well, should be a 0 stars and faster than 30 minutes. So well, pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.